Slow-cooked Wagyu roast beef. Slow cooking is a technique used to cook meat thoroughly at a low temperature while still allowing the meat protein to begin cooking. This results in an extremely tender texture of the meat. Of course, this technique is applicable to non-Wagyu beef as well. Seasoning the meat. Here's a tip. Before you start slow cooking, season the meat with a generous amount of salt and pepper on all sides. Note that most of the salt and pepper will run off during the searing. Sear the meat. Put the meat on a scorching hot pan. Make sure that the entire surface of the meat is pressed completely to the pan. Otherwise, it will not brown evenly. Wait about 40 seconds to brown the surface. When the surface is well browned, turn the meat over. Make sure that only the very surface of the meat is cooked. Each side only takes 40 seconds to sear, so don't overcook it. Continue searing until all sides are browned